Well, Arnab, let me tell you, with great regret, I have to say, my state, Maharashtra, has been known to be the most progressive state in this country. But this government has displayed through the way they have handled the COVID crisis with regards to treatment and containment that Maharashtra, unfortunately, may not be able to stand to this glory. Look at the position of Maharashtra. We've got over 40% of the cases in the country from Maharashtra. We are lagging behind in every parameter. Look at the recovery rate. Recovery rate is between 19 to 26% as against 40% in the country. Please look at the fatality rate. The fatality rate is over 3.5%, whereas the country is well below 3%. Look at the positivity rate. Maharashtra is between 12.5% to 15%, whereas the national average is 6%. Can this government explain after 65 days of lockdown, this kind of failure? It's not acceptable from a state like Maharashtra. Now, my friend out here was nicely blaming the central government, like his chief minister and like the Mahavikas Aghadi. Look what the central government has done for Maharashtra. The central government has provided Maharashtra 14 lakh kits, 14 lakh masks. Central government has provided Maharashtra 10 lakh PPE kits. The central government has provided Maharashtra 446 crore rupees for purchase of personal protection equipment. The central government has provided Maharashtra 1,611 crore rupees to take care of the migrants. The central government has given Maharashtra 5,400 crore rupees towards advance from the GST dues. The central government has given Maharashtra umpteen number of facilities. I won't take all your time explaining because you won't have enough time if I give you all the facts and figures. So this government has absolutely no reason to point fingers at the central government.
I also am joined by Dr. Narendra Kale, who is the president of the doctors cell of the NCP. Rahul.
Let me give you a beautiful example. How
okay, after that, Dr. Kale will respond.
Is leading from the front. The chief minister of this country, of this Maharashtra state, is leading from the front by not visiting a single healthcare facility in this state. He has not visited a single healthcare facility. All that the chief minister is doing is scouting for venues. He's scouting for venues where he can construct new facilities. Doesn't he have enough bureaucrats? Don't the bureaucrats know the city at the back of their hand? He is required to lead from the front. Visit hospitals. Go see what's wrong. We can't have dead bodies lying in wards. It's not some rocket science to keep these dead bodies away. Well, you can make a specific designated area. Rahul, we understand there is a load of
I'd
dead
like
bodies.
Dr. Kale to respond some very stinging allegations.
But this is not how you handle.
Dr. Kale.
This is completely.
Dr. Kale, see, I also.
This is complete lack of sympathy for the poor.
Yeah, Dr. Kale, आपको respond करेंगे हिंदी में जी. Dr. Kale जी बोलिए. राहुल नार्वेकर और नुपुर शर्मा भी आपके साथ डिबेट पर है.